How we doing, everybody? Welcome back to Little Shop of Nightmares. I'll be working on a wormy chestnut slimline click pen. One of my friends at work, he's a really good guy, and he likes the wormy chestnut pen that I made a year or so ago. And so I'd given it to him, and he has misplaced it, or it's been carried off. I'm thinking his wife's probably got it, just ain't told him. But he was talking about it, and he was kind of upset that he had misplaced that pen. And I said, I'll make you another one. He said, oh, no, you don't have to make me another one. But I'm gonna make him one anyway, so that's what we're gonna work on today. I thought I'd upgrade a little bit and do the use the Slimline Pro kit from PSI, and well, let's get started. All right, see if we can get it cut here real quick. I tell you, I really like this new bandsaw, except for it's a little loud. But we'll get over to the drill press and see what we can do. All right. Never mind. We'll have to cut us another one. Phew, let me go cut another blank. I'll be right back. All right, let's try this again. There's just one drilled. Alright, there's got us two. I'll bring you guys back in a few minutes. Alright, everybody. I've got us drilled and glued and trimmed and ready to go, I think. Yeah, we'll throw a little shine on it just because we can. Got a pretty good shine as it is. We'll throw a little more. We'll get a rag rolled around here. All right. So if we can get it put together, and I'll bring you guys, yeah, let me put it together and I'll bring you guys back, close it out. All right, everybody. We got it thrown together. Looks pretty good. Got a couple of little worm holes in there. They're kind of hard to see on the camera, but I think he'll enjoy those. Oh, we kind of, well, what do you want for free? But anyway, if you've stuck around this long, thanks for your time. Hopefully we've learned something. I think I've learned a couple of things. I think I need to take some of that chestnut, and I've got a little bit left to make pan blanks out of. I think I need to take and go ahead and cut those blanks and throw it in the stabilizing stuff there, throw in that cactus juice and stabilize them. But that might be a day or two down the road. But anyway, if you have any more ideas, suggestions, feel free to comment, send me an email. It's on the main page. You'll find the links there for the email and the Facebook and all that stuff. Instagram, I think that link's on there too. But anyway, thanks for your time, and we'll see you on the next one.